Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and today I wanted to come on here to show you how to navigate my website. So go to www.ieashadesignit.com. You will see my home page. Then you will go down right here to where you see the graduation stole template. Once you click on that, it will come up with 5 designs, 5 gorgeous designs that I have made specifically for you. Remember, these are done for you, okay? You will go ahead, you will click on it. Then you will look at it. You will come over to the right hand side. You will see that the price is $14.99 for 5 designs. You will go ahead and click on add to cart or either buy now. We're going to click on buy now. Then once you click on buy now, it will come up where you can pay with PayPal or you can pay with a card. Now, just say you decide to pay with a card, you will click on pay with a card. Then you will put your card information in, which will ask for your card number, the month, and the year, as you see right here. If you don't want to do that, then you can go and choose PayPal. Once you choose PayPal, then you will go down and fill out that information. Hope this helps.